single day do that mistake. So someone said, tell us more about Rydall Ficks. Why is Rydall so hesitant to bring you down? Rydall, by the way, for people who don't know, there's a guy called Rydall Ficks. I don't know, guys. Yeah, ne. Rydall Ficks is a guy who's from Cape Town, no? He has a YouTube channel. In his YouTube channel, it's all about, he reminds me of a guy called CoffeeZilla and another guy called Spencer and all that. There are people who say they're exposing people and everything. So, so far I was looking at his videos. This guy, he was coming all right. But the issue about these people that he was exposing, they are not big names, you know. They are not people who are well known or anything. So, when you are into YouTube, I know this for myself. I'm a public figure. I've got Instagram, I've got Facebook. When you have Facebook, Instagram, you know, and you want people to follow you, normally you are taught that you need to use keywords. You know, you must use, you know, clickbait, or you must talk about top topics, you know, topics that are going to pull people. So I believe that he saw me, there's a Refoin guy is pushing, and he was like, let me look into this guy's affairs. So that guy really wake me over. Rydall Ficks, he made a video. Refoin is a scammer. Refoin scam people. He scam people 200 million. Hey, this guy makes a video out of all the things that he's getting. I don't know, from the internet, from where he's getting these things. He says this guy, he scam people 200 million. So my question is, can you provide, if the lawyer can come now, or if police can come, can you provide the proof that I had 200 million in my life? 200 million. He says, yeah, this guy used to do this. I said, these people. So, but when I went deeper, I realized that this person is using my name for, and it's not only him, so many other people in the past I've seen using my name to attract attention. Because the minute you go to YouTube right now, you say Refoin. Of course, people are going to want to watch. What are you saying about Refoin? So they use my name, and then, of course, he got a lot of likes, views. And in everything, there's going to be good people, bad people. So others are the people are excited. Yeah, the evil guys with the evil spirits. Me, I don't want to lie to you. I was very, very angry. Very, very furious. I even told him, I said, Rydall Ficks, what you've done is something very, very wrong. You've went against, you've went against something big. I said, Rydall Ficks, what you've done, I sent him that. I said, Rydall Ficks, what you are doing is something wrong. You are lying about me. Do you know who I am? He didn't understand what I'm talking about. And me, I don't want to lie to you. I wanted to demonstrate to him that there are some people in this world who work very closely with spiritual beings. I wanted to teach him what is a shaman. I wanted to make him my first example to know that you don't mess around with some people. There are some things that I can do that are just few minutes. They won't take me very long on a specific day. Because he is just in Cape Town. I've never seen him, but I can call him now into my being like this. I look at him and say, Rydall Ficks you, and do things that he never thought. And I planned this thing. I'm now confessing. I'm confessing now to you guys. I plan to do something to him to show him that some of us, we talk directly with beings out of this realm. But I realized that he's one of the people who are putting me in a trap. I realized that in my life, I've never fought with anyone physical. In my life, I've never swear anyone. In my life, I've never hit anyone. And I've never cursed anyone. I've never used my spiritual knowledge. Because in as much as I can create, I can also destroy. I've never used it against a person. But I've got this desire. By the way, it's been 1 year. Last year, this year. I've got this desire to deal with this guy spiritual. And I knew that, oh, this thing. Anyway, by the way, before I knew, I was already planning something. I was saved by my own spirit guide who says to me, you must be aware that now you are going into the battlefield of the evil now. It's because you are fighting evil with evil. So he did what he did. He's excited. He got over 30,000 views. He got subscribers. It boosted him, that video. If you can check these videos before, it was not this much. Now he's boosted. He's a big guy. He's pushing now. I can see when he posts now, people, they follow. And now he's posting the real scammers, some of them. Sometimes scam is posting the wrong people. But me, I was stopped. from taking action, says, no, leave this guy. If he's putting money for him on the table, leave him. But he's going to be already, naturally, he's going to go down naturally, because he's going against the laws of nature. So what he's doing already is very wrong. So it's so nice, leave him. But I wanted to do something. I wanted to show him the higher. But even though I didn't do anything, in his life, wherever he is, he can see that there's something wrong that he did, because there are some things that are happening in his life that are also giving him problems. So, but I wanted it to be more forceful, and he must know. Because I give him a date. I said to him, even by month end of March, it's too long. It was too long. So, guys, but now it's a trap. It's not far from hitting at a woman. It's not far from doing something negative. The minute I engaged in that battle, I throw a curse at someone. I'm no more a light worker now. I'm no more a light worker. Now I'm part of the evil, because of now I'm able to also throw a curse, cause an accident, cause misfortune to a being. So I'm no more a light worker. I'm no more it. So I must quit first. Before I curse someone, I must quit first. I must quit the light worker, put it aside. I'm no more a shaman. Now I'm part of the witch. Because a witch is a person who knows spiritual knowledge but is using it in a negative way. So I'm no more the light worker. So a witch has a potential to become a light worker. Some of them began as light workers, but then they moved to the other side and they became witches. So I saw that, oh, this guy is pushing me to become something I'm not. So I left him. So I'm happy. He's pushing. So whatever it is. So guys, let's go back to the main topic. So I'm hoping your question is answered about that young man. But still, I feel like even if I can see him somewhere, actually I don't know. Even if it's just even if I don't do anything, but just a whoop, just to show him. But I used to do karate at school. Just to show him few things. Whoop, 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 whoop. Not hitting him, but around him. Whoop, 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 whoop. Hey, don't do yourself. Watch the space, son. Then I leave him. Hey, some people are boring, man. Hey, so guys, without wasting any more time, let's conclude. We spoke and spoke. I told you that there are some things that we do that are wrong. I said to you, in planting a tree, there is what? Two things are considered to be important: the proper seed and a good ground, the power of the healer and the receptivity of the patient. So you are the patient, I am the healer, but you need to be in a good receptive manner to receive all these things. And also nice, just by you watching me, there's so many things that are happening in your life. Just by you watching me, listening to me, you are dealing with a lot of things. Some of you even dream some things tonight. Some of you, you live in the, I didn't know this. So guys, but in a nutshell, what I taught you about today, and I said I want to teach about it even in the next weekend. If you want me to come back, I can come back Sunday. This month of March is my birthday month, and March is the most powerful month in the history of the calendar. If you want me to come back again, guys, I can come back again. Let me just take questions before your data is out completely now. If you want me to come back, I say, hey, Dr. F, we love this church. Because I said Sunday because I wanted you to go to church in the afternoon, and at night, then you hear that, hey, and hear that, hey, this is a different kind of a church. So you are the one who will tell me what I must do. So, these boys, let's see, let me see your questions. If there's any questions that you want to ask me, let me see your questions there. Or if there's anyone who wants to so I said to you, you're looking for God outside of you, but He wants to reside inside of you. He's yearning to be part of you. You are a temple, an astral, a powerful person who He wants to reside inside, but you are kicking Him out. And is why you are in poverty. Your family is in poverty. Your family lost its traditions. Your family is now engaged in evil activities that impose itself as positive. Some of you, you think you're communicating with ancestors, only to find that some of these people are not actually who they claim to be. And with the third eye that is open, you start to realize that I'm connected to beings that are imposters. Some of them are actually what they claim to be. But you need to be enlightened. You need to be awake. So, good people, you are the one who will tell me more. And then in the next session, I want us to talk now. Now remember, I cleared that part. I cleared the part of you being as a temple. I cleared the part that there are things that you must do and must not do. Let me give you a homework. Now, a very serious homework. Let me not give you a homework. It's fine. By the way, let's talk about prayer. Let's talk about prayer. Let's talk about Let me give you 3 last things. Can I give you 3 last things? I see you still have 1.5 people up. It's already late. People are waking up tomorrow morning. Some of them, of course, they'll watch the video afterwards. Can I give you some last things? Last things. Prayer. Can I give you some last things? Let me write them down before I forget. Can I give you some last things? Last things. Let me write them down before I forget. Yeah. Can I give you some last things, good people? Must I give you something last, or you are fine? You are no referee, you are a scammer. Stop this now. Go away. Or must I continue? It's been 2 hours now. Or 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2. You see, we need to have a church, guys. I must say that is why I'm busy. I must have this church, but this church doesn't do what we are used to in church. It's a different church. That is where you learn a lot of things, and you get so many other things. People must live, man. We lost these traditions many years ago. Okay, that's fine. Don't forget the prayer. I am now open to a flow of spiritual energy in which I perceive the most worthy course of actions for this day. My service, being selflessness, opens new doors of supply, making available all of the tools required so that my work can do what? Will be beautiful, energetic, and influential to the highest degree. I hope you got that. But you'll write it down. This prayer, you are going to do it. Now I'm giving you the things that you must do now. What was the taboos? You can't apply the taboos now. You don't have any spirit inside of you. They must come back. But this prayer opens up the portal. The prayer opens up the portal. Then immediately after, you follow taboos. So taboos are things that you must do or not do. Imi goma. So, because you cannot live with a spirit inside of you, God inside of you. And that is a problem that I also realize in religion. There's a problem where it happened that they didn't teach us what we must do and what not to do. And we carried on and lost this essence. So, as a human being who's carrying this benevolent being inside of you, a being of light, I said, when you are full of light inside of your soul, you are able to even stop problems. Some of you are born to go to certain locations. When you get to that location, you find that something wrong was supposed to happen in that place. But because of your presence, the light that you carry inside of you, the benevolent being that lives inside of you, resides inside of you, as a temple that you are, those things don't happen. There was supposed to be a serious accident, but because of your presence there. So guys,